Good morning, everybody. Look at the bounty. It's the day after Thanksgiving, our first raw, organic, vegan Thanksgiving. The turkey went out the door when my dad read an article on what is in turkeys and what they do with turkeys. So it was a miracle yesterday, and it was a bit of a battle this morning because my stepbrother Bobby still wants the turkey. If I showed it to you in the freezer, it didn't get thrown out. It's just sitting there. It looks so dead and yuck. And all of the kale and the vibrant salads I have in the refrigerator in the garage look vibrant and happy. Look at Ruben. I put beet juice in his hair. Anyway, so I want to show you what I'm doing with my smoothie. I already made my family a smoothie with almond milk, and mine I just want water. So it has water and fresh pineapple and a banana, frozen blueberries, some cinnamon, and a date covered with coconut. I'm going to blend that up and start my day, and then I'll be prepping because we're having another family dinner with other people coming over, my brother Danny and his family, so more food to come later. See you soon. Get your greens on. Okay, I blended it, and I wanted to actually add chia seeds. I want it to last longer in my body and give me more energy. I want to stay full for longer. And I added maca, 2 tablespoons of maca, about 3 tablespoons of chia seeds, and 2 dates, which have sunk to the bottom. Get your greens on. And that is what it looks like.
Oh, you did?
Delicious. Want to try it, Mom?
Sure. What is it? Mud.
Some mud.
It looks like Earth, the Mother Earth.
Yeah.
Which is good.
It's good. Hers had almond milk.
Yum.
It's good. There's more if you want. Okay, everybody, cheers. There go the dogs. Oh, I forgot. I got aloe vera at the market yesterday, and I just filleted it, and I'm going to put a piece of that. I have to take the bottom off. I'm going to put a piece of that in to my smoothie and reblend. So I have to show you the whole thing. Aloe vera is going in. Okay, you guys, I'm going to show you the turkey in question. I just have to get this on film. It's in the garage because on Thanksgiving my dad decided to throw it out because he read an article about basically what was in turkey and what's wrong with eating turkey. And they didn't throw it out because it's not trash day. So I just needed to document that is the turkey in question. Does that look appealing? The next day my brother woke up and decided that he wanted to cook it. And I'm like, what would make you look at that and decide you need to eat that? I don't even understand. Like, ugh. And then, oh my goodness, I don't understand it. Well, anyway, that's the turkey in question. And then take a look at the smoothies or the raw foods, and can you even like, I don't know. There's no comparison.